Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today, we're making the ultimate crispy fried chicken with special sauce, juicy on the inside, ultra crispy on the outside, and finished with that rich, buttery aroma that makes it absolutely irresistible. But wait, we're not stopping at crispy. I'll also show you how to make a sweet, Reno sauce that takes this fried chicken to the next level. If you love crunchy, flavorful chicken with a bold Filipino twist, you're going to love this recipe. Let's get cooking. Ingredients: chicken, 6 large thighs only. For brine solution, 2 to 2.5 liters water, enough to fully submerge 6 thighs. 6 tablespoons salt. 4 to 5 tablespoons brown or white sugar. 6 to 7 cloves garlic, crushed. 1½ teaspoon white pepper or whole peppercorns. 1 to 2 teaspoon chicken powder, optional but recommended. For coating, 2½ cups all-purpose flour. 1¼ cups cornstarch. 2 teaspoons salt. 1½ teaspoon white pepper. 1½ teaspoon garlic powder. 1½ teaspoon onion powder. 1½ teaspoon paprika. 2 teaspoon chicken powder. 1½ teaspoon sugar. For frying, 1.5 liters cooking oil. 3 tablespoons butter. Procedure. Step 1. Brining the chicken. Dissolve salt and sugar in water. Add crushed garlic, pepper, and chicken powder. Submerge all 6 thighs completely. If floating, place a small plate on top to keep submerged. Refrigerate for 2 to 4 hours, overnight for more flavor. Remove chicken and pat dry thoroughly before coating. Step 2. Coating. Mix all dry coating ingredients in a large bowl. Coat each thigh evenly, pressing lightly so the flour sticks. Optional, double dredge, lightly dip back in brine, then coat again for extra crispiness. Step 3. Frying, butter aroma trick. Heat oil to 170 to 175 degrees Celsius. Fry in batches, do not overcrowd. Fry until fully cooked inside, 12 or 15 minutes depending on size. During the last 2 to 3 minutes, add 3 tablespoons butter to the hot oil. Stir gently, buttery aroma plus golden brown color. Drain on a wire rack. Step 4. A special sauce. Ingredients: ½ cup Reno spread, ¼ cup ketchup, ¼ cup brown sugar, 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar. A quarter cup water, adjust for thickness. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Optional, 1 teaspoon cornstarch plus 1 tablespoon water, for thicker sauce. Sauce procedure. Sauté garlic in a little oil until golden brown. Add Reno spread, cook 1 to 2 minutes. Add ketchup, brown sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, water, and pepper. Simmer 3 to 5 minutes until smooth. Optional, add cornstarch slurry for thicker consistency. Serve on the side or lightly brush over fried chicken before serving. And there you have it, perfectly crispy, buttery fried chicken paired with that rich and savory special sauce. Crunchy outside, juicy inside, and packed with flavor in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Sankap Sarap TV for more mouth-watering recipes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious upload. Comment down below, are you team dip the sauce or brush it on top? Let me know. See you in the next recipe.